Welcome to Loans for Businesses Today. Hi, my name is Gustavo and I am a business loan broker. Today I want to talk to you about what you need to know to get approved for a commercial real estate loan. So, you're thinking of getting into real estate. Well, first, commercial real estate loans are asset-backed loans, which means that the property becomes the guarantee. Should you default, the property is going to be sold to recoup the loan. Commercial real estate loans are not reported to your credit score. However, lenders will have a minimum. So what are those minimums? So credit, a 600 FICO is going to be at a minimum. Well, according to the lenders I work with, there may be some that go lower than that. I don't know them. 600 is really the minimum. With a credit score of 600, you will need 20% down for a first-time flipper. If you have experience flipping properties, you will need 10%. If you have a 650, you will need 10% down for your first-time flips. And if you have some experience, you can get 100% approval on the purchase of the property, the acquisition, and 100% on the repairs, on the rehab, on the construction side of the loan. How much will you need to get started? Well, even though 100% financing is 100%, you will still need money to cover the start construction, because the construction part of the loan is a draw process, which means you submit your expenses at the end of each section of the bill when it's completed. And contractors, they don't work without a deposit. You will need to pay them to start. They will probably take some money during the construction, and then they'll expect the final payment at the end, which means that you will need to front the startup cost of the construction. What will your payments be? So typically you get 6 months to start making interest-only payments and 12 months to start making full payments. So the expectation is that you should be done flipping the property within 6 months. And you really should be done within 6 months if you kind of know what you're doing. I say spend money on getting quality team, contractors who will get in and out fast, because the longer it takes, the more money it'll cost you. Your interest rates. So I start at a 3.7 for long-term holds. That is going to be your rentals, your short-term rentals, like your Airbnb properties, your VRBO, anything that you expect to hold for a long time, and you're looking to generate cash out of that. Now, for construction, for rehab loans, the lenders I work with, again, they start at 7.2. That is for a 90% acquisition, 100% of the repairs, which means 10% down on your behalf. If you want 0% down, well, that is going to cost about 12%. Again, the lenders I work with that do offer 0% down, they charge 12%. These are study numbers. Most lenders base a cost on experience, on the equity of the property, which determines the risk level. Now, is it better to stay with a small project? Well, I say no, a big no. Lenders won't touch anything sub 50,000 on acquisition, and at a minimum they want it to be 100,000 ARV. That's going to be your after repair value. Don't be afraid. Get yourself into a nicer project. It is fast. It sells faster, and it's the same amount of effort. And either way, lenders, they don't want to lend on a property if it's in a bad neighborhood. And well, you should be in a better neighborhood. I say best of the best sells faster, anyways, right? I get asked this question: is there someone who will lend with 0% down? Well, yes. Now, I don't know of many lenders that do, but I do have a provider that does what's called a joint venture program, which means that they put up all the money. They also hold the title, first and second position, which means that they own the property. Then they sign a joint venture agreement with you. Your responsibility would be to manage the rehab and to make sure that everything is done. There are point costs and appraisals costs, but you pay nothing up front. Then at the end of the flip, when the property is sold, the profit is split down the middle. But you need some experience because they only take seasoned flippers. So there you go. I hope I share some useful information. And if you would like me to give you an estimate on the property and get you some pricing, you'll find a link down below that you can use to send me your deals. Fill it out and I will get back to you. Otherwise, thank you very much.